Santa's over there. So we gotta go, like, we gotta go, kick him out, okay? Okay. So I can be Santa and steal the bird presents. Alright. Okay, look at Santa over there. Oh, I'll bring me the list. I'm coming, Santa. Okay, here's the list, Santa. Thank you. Okay. So this right here. Okay. Nice. Red, yellow, blue, black, white, green, orange, pink, mustache fit. Naughty. King Pig, Dave, Michael, Chick, Chuck, Victor, Eric, Beaner. Well, they're getting cold for Christmas. Alright. Damn it, I'm on the naughty list. Alright, so, guys, I'm gonna go get Santa. Oh, for the time. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, I want you to put on my Christmas hat. This sucks. Okay, hello, Christmas. I mean Christmas. Alright, now, guys, I know you want me to do what? I can't believe we're being reindeers. You know. Okay, I'm gonna go deliver all the presents. And then I'll still Ribbit's present. Okay, ready, guys? Yeah. Later that night. Doesn't the Christmas tree look beautiful, guys? Yeah. Oh, I better go to bed. Christmas Eve, I love Christmas Eve. So wonderful. Redbird. Oh my god. Charlie, Ray, what are you doing here? Oh, sorry, Redbird, but I need to show you something. Okay. Ow. Oh, you okay, Red? No, I'm not okay. Can't you see I got a bruise in my eye? Sorry, Red. Ow. Okay, why are you here, Charlie? Well, you see we're over there. What the? Game Pig? What are you doing? He's taking the reindeers. Why? Oh my god. He might ruin Christmas. Yep, Red. It's up to you to save Christmas. Oh my god. He's gonna steal the present. Santa! Oh, thank you, Red. Oh, Santa, are you okay? Oh, yes, Red. Oh, where's my sleigh? Give me check your sleigh. What? That monster. I'm gonna order that presents. I don't know. Okay, so it's up to you, Red, to say Christmas. Oh, how I say Christmas? Well, see, I know how you feel. Okay, so we're gonna go say Christmas. Okay, we're gonna send. Okay, all the presents are gonna be in the neighborhood. So I'm gonna teleport you. Okay, 1, 2, just teleport.